Well, good morning. It is Monday, and what a busy week we have. Just what I thought I would jump on, just to say I hope you all had a good weekend. We do have some availability from next, I think possibly next Wednesday, late afternoon, and Thursday for about 12ish. If you want a booked in, drop us a message or text, call, whatever, email, and we'll look at getting you booked in ASAP. Yeah, see you in a bit. So Monday morning, I'm going to try to do sort of a weekly vlog sort of thing, just what we do and what we're getting up to. So the sun is quite bright. Jeez. Yeah, so we've got this one, we've got TT in on a regular basis every 4 weeks. He's in for our standard plus. I'll just take a wee walk around to see what you think, and I'll explain to you what we're going to be doing in a bit. Yeah, so it's never usually that bad, but it is what it is. Sometimes we get good ones, sometimes we get bad ones. So what we've done so far, we've got it washed, wheels done, arches flushed out, inside the barrels. At the moment we've just got the wax on, so it's just curing. Just to get the windows done, it's had good for a hoover, wiped down the leather, across the dash and the nooks and crannies. Getting a couple of minutes to get the wax, for the wax cure, and then we'll get it off, wind's done, get it back and we'll get on to the next one. Right, well that's me done with this one. It's been washed, hoovered, windows done, it's had the wax, and what a cunt it was to come off. The paint is just got overspray everywhere, but that's a different story for a different day, different matter. But anyway, job's done, we'll get to the next one. Wednesday, God knows what it is, but Wednesday, just finished our first job of the day, transporter. just a mini valet, wash, arches, wheels are done, tyres cleaned, dressed, good for a hoover, windows. Fortunately the customer doesn't want name to where we are, so just keep it that. Got respect. Get the keys handed back and we'll get on to the next one. Just a quick stop for a bit of food. Let's see. So, just went to the shop to try and get a pastry, apple turnover, whatever it is, and a chocolate croissant. Forget him. Going to Aldi's, all adults. So, pint milk, as usual. And I've got some bakewell tarts. It's not what I'm wanting, but it's food. I'm doing it now. Keep us going to tea time. But anyway, let's get on with it. Aye, so back to the being at the shop. Have you ever done that? Whereas you thought, I fancy that, but you've written the wrong bloody shop. And you come up with something that you didn't actually want, but you take it anyway just because it's food. Let us know down in the comments. Just let me just tell me what you've done. Because I'd be quite intrigued to see if it's just me, or is that just a thing that everyone does? You go to a shop thinking you want something but you can't get it from that shop. But aye. Right, just before I forget, well I did forget actually to pick up the camera. This one, BMW, I've had it, it's been washed, done wheels, barrels, underneath the arches on the boot, on the other side of the car, I'm just on the passenger side. So see, it is pretty clean. Yeah, so it's pretty clean, so what I'll do, I'll just pin this up, just so you can see a bit work actually getting done, instead of me just blabbering on. Right, full valet done on this BMW. Doors are open, just so I can let the air get through it, just to take the heat out. Took two front seat covers off, they were pretty easy to come off, so there's not a major. Mats are out, scrubbed. Yeah, so just get wrapped up and get heading home. I think it's about 4:30 hour-ish, give or take. Hi, now we're on Thursday the 10th of March. Another busy day. Just finished the first job of the day, pressing pants, doing one of our Range Rover. We've got BMW, Honda, Jazz and Peugeot 307 today. Then I think I've got an interior, then another BMW 1 Series for returning customer. Yeah, let's get on with it, and I'll try to film as much as I can for today. Right, well, this one is interior on the farm, but mould. Well, certainly a lot better, isn't it? Last one of the day, BMW 1 Series Mini Valet. Go. That's Thursday done. Yeah, Thursday done, BMW. Wait for the mini valet, wash, hoover. Arches are flushed out, wheels are cleaned. So rapid detail applied, just to the paintwork in the glass, just to get some sort of protection. And yeah, 2 days to go. And we'll see you tomorrow.